Aw man, my current computer is so slow and outdated. If only if I had a replacement. Oh, what is this? Oh fuck. Oh wow, that's actually cool. And there's the power brick. Oh, it's here. And it's finally mine. Oh shit, that's fucking anticlimactic. And move this out the way. And about time. Goddamn. Oh shit, the backlight's on. Hello? Yes. Okay. Accessibility. Do it. Individual needs. Screw that. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. And continue. Okay, actually, hold on. Oh shit, I need this. Hold on. I was saving this for a while. Fuck. God damn it. Alright, I got my, oh, I got my time machine backup, which is actually really outdated backup, because I stopped, updating my, backup drive. God damn it. I'm gonna cut this out. Okay, there we go. It's in, along with, okay, I'm gonna do this. And the drive is active. God damn it. Also, wait, what's that? What's my battery at? Oh. And it says 8:49, even though it's like... Hold on, focus. Oh, focus, you piece of shit. Yeah, it says 8:49, even though it's like 11:50 in Eastern Standard Time. Alright, I guess I gotta open this. I was gonna leave this sealed for a bit. Oh wait, no, that's easy. Oh wow, that's the new cord design. It's no longer the shitty rubber, and it's actually a decent material, although I'm not sure how good this material is. I'm gonna stop with the camera. God damn it. And here is the MagSafe 3. And really thin, actually, compared to the... And just plug that in. I'll get the AC adapter now, which is just the... Fuck, where's peel? This looks like the same same thing from the other MacBooks, the USB Type-C MacBooks, which that's not actually called. Dude, don't listen to me. I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about. And I need to find. Hold on. Alright, and connecting to power for the first time. Okay, finally. Macbook Pro backup drive. And make sure the time capsule. Continue. Oh god. That does not look so good. Yeah, that does not look good. Continue. Oh god. Yep. Yep, and continue to admin. Oh, 1 moment. And yep, I didn't even, hold on, wait. Oh wait, shit, well, that's different. What the fuck? Hold on, hold on, let me actually read this, cause boot ROM. Yeah, fuck it. Your Apple has a 1-year limited warranty, can be viewed here. Here, 1 year, do not use your product until you've read the terms of warranty. And that's like majority of people. I have 60% on my camera right now. Hardware, branded product, how consumer law relates to this warranty. responsibilities. If your Apple product is capable of strong hard software programs, data, other information, you should make periodic backup copies. Oh, that's a fucking that's a great advice that's some great advice. I didn't follow that. Now I lost so much shit. Utility, I have... This is all in caps, I don't really care. This is links, okay. Agree. Okay. Well, about 54 minutes. Well, this is gonna take a... My parents' iMac is still updating. I wonder which one will finish first. Okay, so my grandma called me up for lunch, and while I was eating the spring rolls that somehow made it through airport security, the migration finished. So, hell yeah! Oh fuck! Hold on. And it's finally... Oh. Oh. Accessibility not now. Should crash issue with... Yeah, continue. Yeah, not now. Wait. Open for Siri. Vault. Oh fuck! Hold on. Alright, and finally I got Touch ID. And I haven't experienced this since I switched to my iPhone 10. Continue. Oh. Hell yeah, finally. Whoa, holy shit. Mac OS 11 is different. Holy shit. Wait, what is this running on? 12? And we were on Mac OS 10 for like 10 fucking years. Storage. Oh, yes. That's what I like to see. Hold on. Photos. Get started. Updating library. I actually hope the library looks cool. And it's now displaying the correct time. You piece of shit. Focus. There you go. I like the seconds on. And all my shit's on here, including Sketch. Oh, wait, shit. That's... Oh, hey, the old Roblox logo. The old Roblox Studio logo. Fuck. Games. I forgot I have Doki. I have Doki Doki Literature Cups here. Preview. Yeah, I still have SketchUp, although I'm planning on moving to Blender. And oh wow, the old Chrome logo. Icon. It's gonna update anyway. Well, this is gonna take a while.